Hey guys, Rick from Sonance here, back with another video. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to make a melodic techno drop like the artist Artbat did in these songs. Including these elements. We're gonna start off with the lead sound. Artbat is kinda known for their signature lead sounds. They're really big and up front. First, let's pick a preset from the new Limbo sample pack. It's linked down below as well if you want to check it out. We'll be using this lead sound. First, let's dive into the MIDI. The drop will be in B minor, so let's start off on a B. What's really common in melodic techno is to switch octaves, so we're gonna start off on a low B and then go up and back down and up again, giving this effect. Then we're gonna go up to the second note of the scale. Then up to the third. Then we're gonna keep it on the third. And bump up the second note as well to the E, which is the fourth note of the scale, and then again an octave up. And back to the root note. And down to the seventh and finish on the root, sounding like this. It's a really dope big melody, so this will be the main part. Then we're gonna add a slight variation to the second part, so duplicate it. So then what we're gonna do is just bring down the first root notes down to semitones to the sixth note of the scale, to give more of a harmonic feeling to it. Sounding like this. Which works perfectly for the second part of a melody, so altogether it sounds like this. So this will be the main melody. Now we're gonna mix it. We got the leads ready, so now we're gonna dive into the bass sound. First I wanna add a kick to it, so open up the sample pack from Limbo. Go to the kicks. We'll be using this one. Again, just open up a new serum preset from the pack. We'll be using this bass sound, so let's write a MIDI. It will be a very simple MIDI. Just like this. It's really simple, but it really does the job, so just turn it into a 4-bar loop. So now we're gonna mix it. So together with a kick, it sounds like this. Now we're gonna dive into the ARP sound. We need to fill up the gap between the first and the second lead melody. So we're gonna fill up this part. Let's drop in the ARP sound there. So I got another empty serum. Let's make a preset from the pack. We'll be using a pluck sound, so we'll be using this one. And then just create a MIDI. So we're gonna start off on the root note. And then we're gonna go up to the fifth and the sixth note of the scale. It's really common in melodic techno to switch between these notes. And then finish off on the higher octave like we did in the melody as well. So this will be the ARP melody. What we're then gonna do is automate a mod wheel to let it open up during the drop. So create an animation clip and just let it open up during the drop, just like this. So now we're gonna mix it. together with the other lead sound, it sounds like this. We got a foundation ready, so now it's time to make it a bit more interesting. First I want to add a re-step at the start of the drop and drop in the first melody right before the drop. Just like this. I got another serum loaded up with the same mixing as the lead sounds. We'll be using this preset, so just drop in a steady note. Something like this. Then just add another serum, again with the same mixing. And select a wobble preset from the pack. Something like this. So just drop it in half a bar. Giving this really dope effect, it really adds some more detail to your drops. Then the last synth I want to add is a step sound. We got a lot of steps in the pack as well, so we'll be using this one. Just a nice layer on top of the bass. That's it for the step sounds. Now we're gonna add some more chords and ambiances to it. First I added these effects to it. Downlifter, a crowd ambience. Then we're gonna drop in this ambience from the pack. Just drop down the volume quite a bit. Then I added another preset from the pack. So just select the pad sounds. Sounding like this. Then just drop in a steady note. And then the last thing we're gonna add is a chord sound. So we're gonna use this pad sound. And turn it into a chord. We're gonna play a B minor chord. Something like this, and then just spread it out a bit. And then the last thing we're gonna do to finish off the drop is add a drum loop to it. So just drop in a drum loop from the pack and fit it to the tempo. Something like this. So that's how you make an Artbat style drop. We're gonna listen to the final result in a minute. If you liked the video, please drop a like, leave a comment, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see y'all in the next videos.